One house, 3 paychecks, co-living, cash flow explained. What if a regular 3-bedroom house could pay you like a triplex? I'm not talking about magic, I'm talking about co-living done right. By the end of this script, you'll know exactly how I turned a $3,200 mortgage into about $6,100 a month in rent and a healthy net using one property. I'm Joe Holmes, broker, mentor, and investor. I've seen fads come and go, but co-living solves 2 real problems. Renters want affordability, flexible housing, and investors want real cash flow. If you set it up right, everyone wins. Start with your buy box, 4 to 6 bedrooms or a layout where I can easily add bedrooms. Look near employment, transit, and schools, not the outskirts. Bonus points for a convertible den or garage with a legal path to add living space. Layout optimization is the profit lever. Walls and doors create dollars. Split an oversized master. Convert a formal dining nobody uses. Add true closets and solid core doors for privacy. Use doable, easy clean materials. LVP flooring, semi-gloss paint. You're not doing Instagram. Renovations, you're building a cash flow asset. Operations make or break you. House rules, weekly cleaning, utilities bundled into the rent, digital locks, and a strict no-nonsense policy. You're running a business, not a party house. A part-time house manager gets a rent discount to be your eyes and ears. Price by the room. Tiered by size and amenities. The primary with a private bath commands a premium. Smaller rooms share a bath at a lower rate. Price near market room rates. Then add 10 to 20% for furnished, all-in living. The premium is justified when the experience is dialed in. Build a tenant funnel. Create your ideal renter's profile. Traveling nurses, grad students, young professionals, and market with real photos. Group showings work together. Be clear on expectations. One bad fit can wreck the house. Screening is cheaper than drama. Control risk with simple tools. Noise sensors, not cameras, to alert on parties, escalation ladder for issues, and written warnings. Prevent fires instead of fighting them. Now the math. PITI, about $3,200. 6 rooms average $1,000 each, and the primary at $1,100, gross $6,100. Subtract utilities, internet cleaner maintenance, say $1,800, net around $2,100 a month from one front door. That's the point of co-living. Book a one-on-one call, and I'll tailor some insights to your zip code. Payoff. Most investors buy one house and hope it breaks even. Co-living turns that same house into 3 paychecks in one. It's not theory, it's repeatable if you follow the system.